Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for your car, especially if you have kids or pets. We're talking about the best car fans for kids available on the market right now, the Hayousui USB car cooling fans for backseat. Now, why are these fans so special? Let's break it down. The Hayousui USB car cooling fans are designed with comfort and convenience in mind. They're equipped with dual heads, which means double the cooling power for those hot summer days. First off, these fans offer 3 adjustable speeds, low, medium, and high, so you can customize the airflow to suit your needs. Whether it's a gentle breeze or a stronger airflow, these fans deliver. Plus, they're incredibly flexible. With a 360-degree rotation capability and a 90-degree adjustable tilt, you can direct the airflow exactly where you need it. That's perfect for keeping everyone in the car cool and comfortable. Now, let's talk tech. These fans are powered by a brushless motor, which not only ensures powerful airflow but also keeps noise levels low, under 30 decibels. That's quieter than a whisper, making it ideal for long road trips or when you simply want a peaceful drive. And here's the best part, they're USB powered. This means you can plug them into a variety of devices like power banks, car chargers, or even your laptop. No need to worry about battery life or explosions in high temperatures. These fans are safe and reliable. In terms of design, these fans are smartly crafted. They come with a sturdy clip that easily attaches to your car's headrest, ensuring a secure fit. The arms of the clip are foldable too, making storage a breeze when the fans aren't in use. Whether you're in a sedan, SUV, RV, or even a truck, these fans are compatible with most 12 volts, 24 volts car models. They're designed to circulate fresh air throughout the vehicle, which not only cools but also helps in removing moisture and unwanted odors. So, are the Hayousui USB car cooling fans for backseat worth it? Absolutely. For anyone looking to enhance their driving experience, especially with passengers in the backseat, these fans are a game changer. They're affordable, efficient, and they make those summer drives a whole lot more comfortable. You can find these fans on Amazon at a great price. Check the link in the description below to get yours. And hey, if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.